morning. It's cruise day. And by myself. This is my 100th cruise, and it's my first solo cruise. Terry's staying back to help take care of my son-in-law, who's been in the hospital all week, so she told me to go ahead and go. So I did. And just a little 4-day jaunt, heading over to Canaveral, Port Canaveral, and going to get on the Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas, the second largest cruise ship, and on a little 4-day jaunt to Nassau and CoCo. And I say I'm solo, but I'll have probably about 5,000 of my best friends on board. But the funny part is Max and Rose, you've met them, they're in a lot of our videos. They're actually boarding the Liberty of the Seas this morning, or this afternoon, whatever. And they're going to the same 2 stops. So we'll be hanging out. So I'll be on the ship solo, but I'll see them in Nassau and in CoCo. So anyway, making my way over. As you can see, I'm just probably sitting in a parking lot on I-4. It's been good up until this point, till we got to almost Orlando, or Disney, should I say. And that's where it backs up. So anyway, so I'll bring you that when I get there. I'll take you for a little ship tour. I'll give you a room tour. I got an awesome room. I got a suite that's huge with a balcony. And they gave me a lot of good stuff, like gambling money and free drinks and free internet. I'm telling you, they treat you right as well. So not bad mouthing Carnival by any means. We love Carnival, but they do give good deals. So anyway, so I'll be getting on this one. I'll be missing my honey bunny, but I'll get on it, make the best out of it, and it'll be over before I know it, and I'll be heading back to Tampa. So I'll bring you along, and as soon as I get out of this parking lot, we'll get there and get on the ship. I don't have till 1:30 boarding time, of course, and I'm just going to drag my luggage on today so I don't have to carry it around. Alrighty, we'll see you there at the port. Take care. So today we got the Freedom, the Glory, the Wish, and the Utopia. And there they all are. She awaits. She awaits. Now I'm not sure why the Wish is turned at that dock. Usually they're over to the left a little bit. Must be doing something on theirs. All right, so here we go. Alright, so let's get on the Utopia. That was fast. Got a suite, made it easy. Here we are, on board the Utopia of the Seas. Board on the promenade. solarium options. Seafood stir fry. He makes it right there for you. Onions, peppers, onions, soup. Here's your finished product. And I got me a piece of chicken and a potato as well. Things I want to show you before we get too noisy and stuff, but look at this ship. Not one speck of rust anywhere. Now a lot of people are saying, well, the ship is new. It's new, but it's still several months old, and it doesn't take long for salt air and salt water to start rusting. They actually got pretty smart. Think about this. Handrails, they're aluminum. They don't have to varnish them. They don't have to worry about them rusting. They don't have to replace anything up here. That handrail will be here until they scrap this ship, probably 35 years from now. But we are underway. And that right down there, when we go by it, I'll show you. That right there is the culprit of my addiction. I'll show you when we go by. All right, here we go. Say bye-bye, Port Canaveral. See you in 4 days. Get a load of this balcony. Look how big this thing is. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. All right, so that right there is the Carnival Glory. That is where it all started back in 2004, June of 2004. Not a great month for reasons, but that's where it all started. That was my first, second, and fourth cruise was on the Glory, and that's where the addiction started. And we've been doing it, and this is number 100. 100 today. Terry's down to 98. Poor thing, she's home. And I'm missing her. There's the refueling barge. Except for the ship that docks usually here.
I didn't mean to interfere.
So when you want an elevator, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up to this panel, you're gonna hit, I've already got 10 push, but we'll go to 15. And it's gonna tell me to go to elevator F, okay, which is down here. It's now flashing, so that means it's here. So once you push the button and you get in the elevator, it's the only floor it's going to, which is supposed to speed up the process, but I'm not real sure. as the sun sets. You didn't know it, you'd never know you're on a cruise ship. Looks like a building. Alright, going to dinner all by my little lonesome. Heading there now after I catch the train. These onion rolls are so yummy. So good. My first appetizer, tomato soup and escargot. Yummy, yummy. It smells so good if you like garlic. Pan-fried tilapia. And for dessert, cheesecake. Yum, yum.
2 hours later.
Time for some pizza. Little snack before chocolate martini and then bedtime. Oh no. It's Puff. Not very nice tonight. I'm not sure if you can hear me or not, but it's that time. Not as good as Carnival. Sorry. Sorry. Anyway, tomorrow Nassau. Gonna get off, meet Mags and Rose. So not sure what we'll do in Nassau tomorrow. All right, so we'll see you in the morning. Had a fun day, all by myself. Later.